An oath is a commitment to serve with integrity, responsibility, and dedication. As content creators and leaders, you play an important role in shaping public awareness and influencing communities through the information and stories you share. In today's digital age, your platforms have the power to educate, inspire, and promote positive change. The Philippine National Police recognizes your valuable contributions in helping combat misinformation, strengthening public trust, and promoting peace and order in our communities. Through responsible and ethical content creation, you can help build a more informed, united, and resilient Pangasinan. To the newly inducted officers, I encourage you to lead by example, use your influence to promote truth, respect, and responsible digital citizenship. Let your leadership be guided by service, professionalism, and a genuine desire to make a positive impact in the lives of others. To the officers and members of the Pangasinan Content Creators Association, congratulations on your induction. May your organization continue to flourish as a beacon of responsible digital leadership, creativity, and community service. On behalf of Pangasinan Police Provincial Office, we reaffirm our commitment to strengthening our partnership with your organization in advancing peace, public safety, and community development. Once again, congratulations to all the newly inducted officers. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Pangasinan Content Creators Association. Mabuhay ang Pangasinan at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Yan po ang mensahe po ng ating minamanang na Provincial Director, Police Colonel Dennis De Leon. And bago po ako naukasan ng aking mensahe, paalala lang po sa inspirasyon po sa inyong lahat at huwag natin gamitin po sa hindi po makabuluhan na bagay. Para sa ganon, mapanatili natin ang ating integridad bilang isang content creator na tumutulong at mapahusay ang kabuhayan, lalo na sa contribution ng peace and order sa entire Pangasinan. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.